All right, gonna see what I think about the NEMO Elite Moonlight chair. NEMO Elite Moonlight chair. And I just sat down in it, but I'm gonna need some help getting out of it. Really light chair, and it has this, actually it's the cover for the chair that you can put on the bottom. And if you're on soft ground, that will keep you from sinking in, as well as that is the cover to the chair. I think this is going to serve me well. It's much lighter than the other chairs that I've carried. So let's see what happens here when I try to get in the chair. Okay, here we go. Trying to get in without any help. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, I pretty much cover up the whole chair. And I'm a big guy, but not really all that heavy, I guess, for my size. So, but this is comfortable. And sides, I'll try to get to a point where you can see this. Sides are adjustable, so you can make this go back or go forward. So let's see how far I can get one-handed here. Probably not very far. No, these are on there pretty good. Okay, we'll do it step by step. First of all, this case for the chair comes off, and we'll start right there. All right, now the main part of the chair is unhooked. So you can see the gray and the orange coincide with the here and up here. Okay, now let's fold the frame back up, see what happens with that. Okay, interesting development here. These two pieces that are sticking out, I can't get those out of the socket, and it looks like they're riveted in. And I don't recall that. I thought they all came out. So, see what happens. I'll keep working with it. Read the instructions. As it turns out, those pieces don't come out. So what happens is you disconnect the cross piece, and then this whole thing folds down the same way over here for this one, so they don't come out. So you can see there. And this little rubber band, I couldn't get that back over it, typically. So fortunately I had this piece of elastic strap in my kit, so I'm using that. Now my next chore is to figure out how to get this back all together so that it will go into this case. Here we go. A little windy all of a sudden. Well, I think I've got a start on it anyhow. Look at it this way. So the frame goes in like that into the case. Now I got to figure out what to do with the seat back and the seat bottom. We'll figure that. Well, that certainly isn't as pretty as it was when I took it out, but I think that's going to work. So let me do the final wrap up here, I hope. Well, there we are. Not quite as pretty as it was when I first bought it and took it out, but that will work. And I can strap that onto the backpack. The only concern I have is this fastener here. It wants to slide out. See what happened? It slides out pretty easy. So, and I may have to put an additional strap on this so I don't lose the inside of so I don't lose the frame and the seat bottom and the seat back. Because this comes undone while it's on my backpack and I'm walking along, I'll probably never know that most of it's fallen out. So yeah, I'm going to secure this a little bit better before I actually carry it. Other than that, I think I'm really going to like this chair. It's really lightweight. Oh, just hang on, I'm going to weigh this. So we got 1.46 pounds. So 1.5 pounds. Not bad. Not bad for a fairly comfy chair. We'll see how it works on the trail. All right, thanks for watching. If you like this, please subscribe. Hit the like button. Do all those things. It does help out. Helps out the channel. Thank you very much. So we will see you again soon.